Hello students, welcome back again. In our last video, we are learn the auxiliary verbs. Okay, now we are going to turn towards our tenses. How many tenses are there? Three main tenses: present, past, and future. Okay, and each tense have a subtypes. There are four subtypes. First one simple, second continuous, third perfect, and fourth one is perfect continuous. It means three main tense: present, past, and future, and each tense has a four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. It means we have a 12 tenses. Got it, everybody? So keep in the mind the sequence of the tense. So in this video we are going to see the structure of the tense. Now we are going to see one chart. It is about structure. Okay, so this chart help us to identify and write down the sentence. So we have 5 columns in this chart. First column for main tenses and remaining columns for a subtype. See, what are the subtypes? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. These are the four subtypes, and main types: present, past, and future. These are the main tenses. And see, in a subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So in this column we are going to write down the structure of the tenses. See, first of all, in a first column we are going to see only the simple tenses. Okay, it means simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. So see, in the first one, S plus base form of the verb plus object. This is the formula of simple present tense. Got it? Now in a simple past tense, S means subject plus past tense of verb plus object. And now see, in the last one, S plus will or shall plus V plus O. These are the structures of a simple tense: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Got it? Now see the continuous tense. In a continuous we are going to use, see, S plus to be. We are going to use to be auxiliaries, helping verbs here, plus VING. VING means ing form of verb and object. So see, in a continuous present continuous tense, what is the formula of the present continuous tense? See, S plus am is are, am or is or are plus VING plus O. This is formula of present continuous tense. In this tense we are going to use verb ing form, and as well as we are going to use the helping verbs am, is, are. Which helping verbs we are use? To be. In a past continuous, subject plus was, were, were plus verb ing plus O. This is the structure of past continuous tense. And now see the future continuous: subject plus will be or shall be plus VING plus O. These are the formulas of continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Now turn toward the perfect tense. In a perfect tense, we are going to use the helping verbs to have helping verbs. So s plus to have plus ppv means participle of verb plus o. So see, in the present perfect tense, s plus v sorry s plus have or has plus ppv plus o. In a past tense, subject plus had plus ppv means past participle of the word and o. In a future, s plus will have or shall have plus ppv plus o. These are the formulas of perfect, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. In perfect tense, keep it in your mind. We are going to use the auxiliaries form of to have as well as third form of the verb. Now turn toward the perfect continuous tense. See, in the present, s plus have oblique has plus been plus VING plus O. In a past tense, subject plus had plus been plus VING plus O. And in a future, S plus will have or shall have plus been plus VING. These are the formulas which we are use for a tense. These are the formulas of the tenses. See, keep it one more thing in your mind. See, one by one, how to use that formulas in a simple. There is no any auxiliaries. Only we are use auxiliaries in a future tense, will or shall. And in a continuous tense, see, we are going to use the to be form of verb. And in a perfect, we are going to use the form of to have. And in a perfect continuous also, we are going to use the auxiliaries of to have and as well as been and VING verb form. Got it? So keep this chart in your mind or learn. In our second videos, we are going to solve some examples.